Hi everybody, this is Gary again, and I'm going to give you now, late on Labor Day, happy Labor Day by the way, the overview for week number 3. To begin with, I know there were a lot of problems and questions about where to put things and where to submit things. Drop boxes, where are they? How do you format this? Lots of questions in emails this week. Hopefully, if you look at the news section on Carmen, and if you look at some of the email explanations that I've done, and discussion board, go there for questions about the class. There have been some responses there as well. Many of the things should be answered, but remember, if not, please email me and let me know. If I don't get back to you right away, I will eventually, because it's always staring me in the face. And there's also a writing associate with these classes, and you can contact them as well about any kinds of writing issues that you might have. This week is basically going to be wrapping up with the photo reflection project in various ways, as I have laid out on Carmen on the front news page. First of all, you should have updated and submitted your first draft of your photo reflection project already to the Dropbox mentioned there. And by the way, I have organized also the Dropboxes so that it's very clear which Dropboxes belong to which projects, okay? So that should be very clear right now. But in any case, you should have uploaded your photo reflection first draft to that Dropbox, and then comments on that will be coming from me this week. Also, I would like you to also upload another copy of the same thing to the group photo reflection Dropbox folder mentioned on the first page too, so that your peers can see what you've written and then know that you are supposed to download and do a peer feedback form of one particular student mentioned on that front page and in the email. Don't do anybody you would like, just do the one that you are assigned to. After you fill out that feedback form, you should upload that feedback form then to another Dropbox mentioned there. And the peers will be able to see those feedback comments then in column number 1 and column number 2. You should also, by that time, on Thursday, have received my comments on your photo reflection, and taking my comments and your peers' comments, revise it and update it, and then upload that revised document to the final draft Dropbox. I know there are a lot of Dropboxes here, but follow me, trust me, it's really easy. Then this final version as well, once you've uploaded it to the Dropbox, you can then upload it to your u.osu.edu page, and that will be the final place where it resides. Now, the feedback that you received from the peers and the students, there is a third column on that sheet that I would like you to fill in and just tell us how helpful were those comments. Then upload that to the final helpfulness Dropbox that I mentioned on the front page. Next week, you will have finished all of this photo reflection business. You will have uploaded your photo reflection to the second page in your u.osu.edu profiles, and that is when you will be commenting on 3 of your classmates' photo reflection projects in the post section at the bottom of the page. And we will try to show you how that works, but it's very similar to the discussion board area, and we want you to do that online in the u.osu.edu pages. So you should do 3 of them, 3, okay? Because one grade depends on that. Finally, all of the other things that we are doing this week basically depend on, the readings, the 2 readings that you have. Respond to those readings. I just posted a couple of discussion questions for you. Remember, you can choose just one of them, but also summarize the readings as well. And that should be done again by Friday night, and then respond to your peers' discussion over the weekend, due by Sunday night. Now this week, starting this week, and in week 4, 5, and 6, I've put you together in groups of 3 rather than 2. For some reason, sometimes some students are not posting their initial response to the discussion board, and so that gives more of a chance for other people to be there. Respond to one of the other students, okay? I'm not going to tell you which one. Whoever gets there first, that's great. If you see somebody has already responded to one student, then go ahead and respond to the other student so that everybody has a chance to get a response. But the requirement is only to respond to one student, okay? And as always this week, if you have any questions, email me, let me know. The sign up for tutorials with me was a mistake. I'm sorry about that. This will happen later with the plagiarism project and the group project, okay? So have a great week and hope to talk to you soon.